good morning there. Today I'm going to describe to you the phrasal verb back up and exactly what it means to back up. It has many different definitions and I'm going to try to describe it to you in the best way that I can. So, if I use back as a singular word, it is actually something that is at the back of me. I could use it to describe something being behind me, the back of me. Also, my back is a body part where the spine is located. So if I want to use back on its own, that is what it means. Up is a direction and it's an indication that something is up in the sky, up ahead of me. Up is just a direction. When I combine the two words together, back up is a phrasal verb. So I have a backup singer, for example. If I am a singer, the people surrounding me as the supporting artist would be my backup singers. I could also use backup in a sentence structure and tell somebody to back up in quite literal terms. I am telling somebody, get away from me, back up, give me some personal space. Another way to use the phrasal verb back up is to actually call somebody to help you. So I could be in a confrontational situation and I call some backup because I cannot sort this problem out as an individual. So I could call my friend for some backup and help. I hope I helped you to understand the meaning of the phrasal verb back up. Thank you very much for listening and I sincerely hope to see you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Take care and have a lovely day. Bye for now.